Music plays. So if you already done the titanium resonite 2 more times, just place these 3 furnaces and then the 3 short conveyors, 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 2 more straight conveyors on the 3rd furnace. Don't worry, it's not going to take too long. And then place a tier 3 press. This is better tier 3 layout. Now it's time to put a Zell zone in front of that press. Good job, you've made a tier 3 better layout. It's better than a tier 3